You Remikapta itumli gasafa rivrajli ningashimi leye kala iwivanga ramhilira gzanghi achina karemringne 2019 atamlila ishiba ini ringwiwi luiru hilirang rumhaire achila natumna hidada pringung mi daklewang ringpaning shi gjunga pongshok tleye iwa parung nau nei igaharana nambashine jithau gida ramla khongnai ngsa hau atui alalangai jauda irom katha nei da khuye achu ishui team nurturing our culture the hang the clay hiwa itumna na chelai na hang no jaka the way we do things around here culture gji here itumwi kasa khwajili kahang la kai. Our culture is informed by our values and behavior. Aju itumwi ngashanwi elements bingjia kimemito ujia khawa. Itumwi haula zangaire, tangkul duhi zangaire, itumwi shanwai jonwai kashagza hibing saiko rihi zanghaine. Chanzam sada itumwi duhi malai maman haulo, shanwai jonwai la, mangawai tulo, jithaka nawi majut. Identity ji lay safra lag ji itum juk majuse achu itum luiru mion delay ka inang han khangai wanaba achu ishi tangkul ngalai hili or ringwi khu hili itum mi kya khana shimkhur kya khana lui khawa mirinji ring delay do mai thought na khangaje ati shurda itum moi occupation profession hila ngaje maman delay kha lui khawa mirin hi mazangla itum wi mirin hi maring bai mune important samai tuigje occupation la kai je hangaye hiwa itum wi mirin nei ina shamla ka hai aka example mingaye corona covid thi 2019 li december atam li jaina li haupokai ngayau phokai ka 2020 atam hili india li ungai kala manipur li lockdown haupo kreuda kajang akhala manim nei hapta akha lang laka ishipali phone sara sai ya iramba za khwai malai thuluko na hangrai legishebin kya kha ka khanang duido ithumi ramli za khwai malai thurei ji pauhi apam chili pom dakle lui khwa nau pingna lui otm sala lei sawe Legishabing itum shangrunu jamrunu ot sarunu government we job sarunu lui khawag ji hiwa mamlai hai sik ji hangaye iwa phaisa leidak lene lokhi shapai maji haye se kha itum sai koruna hili contribution hi milak se ji hangaye nana yurli kika mamiza salala nawi ma kaili magchung hai dakle ji itum gadong khana ringpai ishi yur hili zat mawat mane sam mawat ni ji itum gadong khana ringpai ina shamla ka hai experience ina visit sa ga hai israel go apam hi nga khai khang ka hai apam nei athumui romjia desert with desert land mangai tur go hojila tangla kai thengla kai groundwater hi athumna phajat laka domestic use agricultural use wibang shijin nei aquifer lay the clay, glay lungly lay the clay, Turugdong hiatum pasate. Ka itumwi ramli, Gambira kava, ituma sok me ramli pamlak lay. Turunaka, Vivrad Kalemina me, Louis Vahvai, Tingnaraha, Taishirai, Saikoro freely itumik pungili sampangai. Galaitum the yauda the clay, Ata, Yausang the clay dongle shoke. Herdaga hajila, Shobrasaye, Ka miwiram gadonga jimatam kom. Miwi ramliva sakla kaina turihi ngakun chok laga shijindale kalam agriculture hi groundwater jamang haina mashap to the atumna arweruhi Mediterranean Sea wena 50% turihi shijinne atum farming li shijinne kajila shamla kaina mashijinmane water hi treatment safai desalinization process machi hi khui chok laka chotla kaina tumna jithada ringdle Aju atumna ogutwili marmi to ida agriculture kala horticulture hili mangawa mai thuik ji nation nga sa da klei nei hi khywang khla je kha yurujina athumui nation hut hili agricultural activities hili khamataya important activities akha sada sanghai wi wang athum machot manai unity ain kharala kai kahak katiaw makhaila athum ka tong khna contribution khami wang kharala kai kala itum na theidle ari hi israelina palestine hi rai pangla kaina sada kleine athumui geographical location ja muslim we countries ping na thumni surround sai Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Egypt, Palestine we territories ping West Bank, Gaza Strip hi ping in athumni surround sai southly Red Sea leye westly Mediterranean Sea leye itum na chuk machu bai hi we mi yur Israel now ping hiwa athumui li ka shakza ga thadara sang rukla sang chot naw ra thum hiwa the phaning bai kha thum ma jot mane khiwang khla je kha thum self sustained self sufficient economy already sem gai rasai athumui khawat ma lei mane chi thau gi da raiwe atam li la thum ring phalak ainu pom shapai hi tha ot sakhi ithum tangkul nala tamkhui se ji hangai ithum self reliant self sufficient economy jiwa semlak se lui ot kasahi yur ga semwe matai makeup ka ji contribution akhala kai ji hi hangai aju maite aina kuki rai panglak aina sad le aju ishing sa saisha leg shaping itum ka shakza shaptale salla itum hila phaning se ji hi hangai chanjam sada itumli maite myang na malaysia tu da athumli wa ka shakza ma mi lui se ji kha itum kumsila makhum bai manai hi e no wi tungli le hai nei family gijida shimkhur gijida wi commitment wi tungli le hai nei yur ga sem hili nation hut hili lui khawa gaji hi khamataya economic activities la ga ji hi hangai aju Israel now being exile aina athum refuge khizat takle countries ka chung khali zat le achala khwe na athum hi rai na mumbai to the itumna bible we na kharjan thei ga hai nei sat takle bing jila athum na pam zat takle apam bing jili ogthui studies athi shurda athumi culture hi mamlai lak mani ji ngapap te ta sachapi ji jihad sada aju ogthui wi ka phau ka thema scientists being professors being aram now chung kha jangdale even US leader legacy being aju issue tangkul bi population him 2.5 lakhs mangai keteu khmang langai 3 lakhs lamakam nei 2011 census ati shurda Manipur we census kayang tran 36.49 lakhs nei hiwing a jai hili ishi tangkul hi 2.5 lakhs mangai kala itumna hakhamayali yenga kha India hi 1.42 billion nei aru hi itumui mi yur hiwa tru drop na kha thala kai shamadruwi lungjili globalization atam hili ari hon og thu hiwa resang rum dak lei nei hili sadak lei hi US UK lik dong na thei dak lei nei hi ka tha atam hili itumna ningmang sharaka itumui mi yur hiwa pailak aina shiman hai paid le jiwi wangla kai ache itumui culture hida da renew ga sa gaji dargar ga sa hi hiwi wangla kai hi khok ga sa ji tran itum ejif ga sa samang lak rem issue we naga we first seed of nationhood team 1918 li naga club ka semain haw kai kala naga club in 1928 li Simon Commission li memorandum aka submit sai British na India ji holaka kathui jitran nagali freeze halaga haimilo ki wangla je kha naga hi ki pakhwi azingli mok thui samani da hangai legi shaping ajira shungda ji mung shungrangai itum khok ga sa jitran ungbushung sampang lak reim aju itumna theidleye meite ena kuki ki akha khamashita ngasot naw sa sa klei kha aju kuki naw pingna katong kha athumui khalei sai ko ru no tha haida athumui apam li zat thu ere miwi azingli politics khangreu ji hilakai hine itumli best example jithemi it was not in consonance with Kuki's national interest athumui national interest kharajitran ichicha zathui ser ngro khawi legi shaping itumui kasasa psycho really aji hida liru khamyon nu cultural night khamyon nu ring with god talent khamyon nu nana apam mateng dedali ot sajat sarunu itum nakasasa psychorihi nationhood akwi contribution ngasa se jiji hangaye kala ringui khuli ning shilakai nathumna aji hidada luirihi hakla kaina mayon mi dakhlei hi ning sangla kaina tangkhulwi khu chung khali hidada mamion ngrok lui mane se hamang sakhui laga tanghawe hi nashi khwi wang maning mane kham tangkhul ko tong khwi mai nei nishine hidada ithumai ngashan hi phari milak lu ji hi hangaye kalam singkum hi laikhia jingkum khama hai jingkum la ngasa se urnu shimkhur tong khali kala luiring saugida itumna ring phase mathan se khaga sasa psycho really rivrawi ming tek dek vai ngasa se ji hang la kaina tanghau gai ning share.
Thank you so much, Ning Shinairi, Guest of Honor, Srimati Chumila Keshing, former Assistant Professor, Dale Singh College, itum lelungsan lagay na ningsang lagay na ragadom kumiwang, na we speech na itum shan kuidale, ima yurtang kuli na nagyakalishi, klagajije, katoming rock chingse, ara itum na welcome salushitse, stage li, Winso Chamroy, li yari katonga na, pangag pematang la, marlagay na kapela welcome salushitse.
Hello.
Winso Chamroy.
Ina mazang jorong laga akamang hangau gay ina bangla no ka sangai tle envelope Luiru cultural night na ka shira kumila karunu organizing committee Luiru cultural night ka thana khana
Ningshi Naire Winso Chamroy, a rising star worth looking forward to from Halang village. She is currently based in Ukhrul, a lady that needs little or no introduction amongst our generation today. Last performed at G20 summit in Arunachal Pradesh, invited by the Chief Minister Pema Khandu. Please welcome Winso Chamroy.
Check, hello, check. Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. We share.
Thank you so much, Winso. Ning shi changkadai re yari na lanali le shi jing de le ye. Ara atam hi. Ning shinai re. Thank you so much. May I now give this time to our chief guest tonight, Shri KG Daigon, Director R&DM, Government of Manipur. May I now give this time our chief guest, Shri KG Daigon, Director R&DM, Government of Manipur, for a short speech. The stage is yours. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Ning Sinare. First of all, I thank our Almighty God that from Imphal to Ringui, that He has brought our team safely here in Ringui village for this Lura Fanit. And I also want to give my warm gratitude and happiness to the headman of Ringui village and the organizing committee for giving me this kind of such a privilege on this Lura Fanit. I think most of the guests of honor are not here, but I'll extend my warm gratitude to Madam Chumila K. Singh, former assistant professor, Dayal Singh College, Delhi University, and especially our headman of Ringui village and all the village authority of Ringui village, as well as the village authority and all the public who are gathered together here, for giving me this such an opportunity and for inviting me. And it's such a good privilege, I should say. To start my speech, how do I say? Should I speak in Tangkhul? My Tangkhul will be like what? In Tangkhul, what do you call? Kasasnay sila. Chatini, yan. It will be like say chutney type na. The Rimphana area is a ring who kind of clay kata ku kata hi is a recognizable and very respectable village for inviting me. Laga, from my side, I have nothing much to say in Hangkai Baba, especially iba isabu ba kila tuluyan ini isa mana rongmai ni naga I singai lila SDO sada fungiar lila yata ukul lila pamsai yata yang the ila kathai ba he isi he Mahadev wrote up down sa tamli yata tum thai khuili akali le jiba how do you itu mirin hi kapung atung buena taru long tagi ji apam ji na jili if you started planning something else the asing liba kathara and if you isi we kila LM log we kili to namely SDO video office lili yang kiba lampam jiwing namely kila ring the clay what plantation you know better yang itum I phungyan li SDO sada pam sai itum na kla sa zikir zikha jiwi isi SDO video blog hi jili pam phung re the I try my level best lagas through my commitment and through the help from my DC isi SDO video pungyali yang we complexly itum we can organize it lagas jiwili pungyali bank what you call Central Bank of India he kira pungai je na commitment le hoda jiwitam ni oza lesio naga oza worsang itum commitment sal ada bank is there SDO video office matalang hai na run sadly yang it's up to us itum na mukui taika or if you don't give a commitment as we pisa sing na pai whatever you do your business think about your future isi mirin yang after 5 years where you will be or tanghu tu ina hang ka after chikum phanga thili now we generation yang that's the thing now so we have to think like not that you earn something or just for mere profit, but think about the future to come. Jibaji ina isi ringui village village na hang. I want to request you, and I have nothing else to say. But the thing is that how do we make a family? Now he abu hai na. The most affinity is the mother. Jibaina itum katong ka hisiren ping na thaidalere Napoleon Bonaparte na ana hang na crazy. Give me a good mother, I'll conquer the world. Yeah. Abu mang we rob meaning, but at the same time. A father has a role also. So likewise, we should start a new kind of a life and a generation to come, not in terms of having a drugs. Manipur scenario you know better, yeah? So I wish you all the best, and we believe that Lirafanit is a harvesting, a time to start a new harvest. So I wish you all the best, and then may Ringui village have the best harvest in this year and the coming year to come, and then prosperity to come. From my level, I have nothing to give you. Please, the organizing committee, I just want to give some small gift. Committee, some few 40,000 only. So, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ning Shinaire. Thank you for your best wishes, Sri Kechi Daikon, Director R&DM Government of Manipur. And thank you so much for accepting our approach. Ara itumna atamji hon ching ching le dakle atamji rai we shall now unpack our special package. We have Kashan Meghalaya Journey by East, where many promising models will be showcasing East designs. Solimla Jajo will be the showstopper, and I, Papa Gachi, your host tonight, is also wearing one of East unique design, and I'm loving it. Thank you so much for the Meghalaya. Katong na atang we aina mangrai rla ngarai da klechi ara atam jirai re che aina na thumna athumna hili manga hili na thumi manga chang hili zatare zatkada damli ning chang da lekha panglag ina lawau milo mathai da la hang milo itum hida da katom khang roki achi he na hophoki jine jena models bi hang lushit ngai athumi hiwakta laga na thumi manga ji zadragi gijine chi aina video ji khuingai sai ji salala mathala gai na khuimilo kewangle ji khangala naw ithumba video le mathangai nai chakhi ko dei na khuyai sa kha ithumba ningchot na haura yang che na shok laga athum zatara mathada la khuimilo mathala gai na ladui khamatha tha la kapi laga la thaka milo khika mathamane kana thumi support sa da lei gi ji shangai kho pangla gai na lawau milo ithumna katong na witness sangrom say East we design bing. Eastern Light Zimik, founder and creative director of East, a NIFT Delhi alumni, is a brand with mission, rooted in a desire to uplift weavers and preserve traditional weaving techniques, and to make one of the primary product or garments of Northeast India, that is Meghalaya, wraparound, to make it into fashion statement in the mainstream fashion of the country. His work is a fusion of tradition and modernity. Previously worked with Manish Arora, Gaurav Gupta, and the creative director at World of Ra before he embarked his own journey. His works featured in Vogue India, Lakme Fashion Week, Harbour's Bazaar India, The Voice of Fashion, Villages Square India, HT Prunch. Please welcome his unique designs. His designs will be featured by MOC singing live and Featherheads singing live. Yari say korina akshida welcome sa da panglagi na pangkapeng room say.
Ning shot ka mai ka le vu no chom no tsu ke phung le nga long sheng nga long da de ke ze de se chui nao ta de no mai ni pli te zang ei no mik take now a khơi na ining le pung a pang a sakta I mo chai ka ruk lo thing a sage lung har tung le khờ one mai khờ làm vợ tiêu cái gì ngài cả chẳng lệ ngờ á cho ren đã chung thấy khờ đây thấy mơ dân ta đờ ya khó có chung khờ nè nà chọn mơ yút quy khờ vai ngờ hay cái dòng đờ đờ li pa bây giờ yun ra gần ở on phang lệ à cái gì mang lệ ngờ yút quy ghê lung hao tung lệ khờ one mai khờ làm vợ tiêu cái gì ngài cái chẳng lệ nà á cho ren đã chung thấy khờ đây thấy mơ dân ta đờ ya khó có chung khờ nà chọn mơ yút quy khờ vai ngờ hay cái dòng đờ nờ đi pa lê nờ li mùi la với xa đờ lê xa
Music, please. Louder, please. The other track, please.
the sam kuyo apamwe one rally yo kalai won no tum tu ya won the girly won tu how oh come on you show me new what you tum rada highway the we rock by she the some way of the magai some way of the magai
Ishi chief guest, jene guest of honor, jene ishi model sping, ishi with designer, inang soda arihi photo shoot akakui say stage li, jene please stage li Camilo, we would like to have a photo shoot with you. Our respected chief guest and guest of honor, please come towards the stage. We would like to have a photo shoot with you. Ramwi awungan na la stage li ka Camilo ning shinare. Aji ishi showstopper Samighai Solimlahi, 54th Asian Championship 2022 ne, 13th World Championship 2022, World Nutrition Brand Ambassador Sadale. Our showstopper today, Solimla Jajo, is the Asian Championship 2022, the 54th Asian Championship 2022, 13th World Championship 2022, and she is the brand ambassador of World Nutrition. The Kashan Megala Journey collection is a continuation of E's debut collection, Shim. This journey is about exploring and showcasing our weavers' skill on a bigger platform. At the same time, it is also about incorporating our identity with a bigger culture so that our weavers are introduced to a channel where their skill is appreciated and explored. This collection is also a tribute to all the weavers, irrespective of communities. For the weavers who are still preserving the timeless art of weaving and advocating our identity in the midst of all the delusion. We showcase this collection of Northeast Festival at the Heart of India, New Delhi on the 23rd of December 2023. One very effort that we have taken on this collection is the attachments of pockets in the Meghala. This is to study the functionality, comfortability, and the role play of pockets in the gender-specific garments by Eastern Light Zimik. Itumwi hi na kup khai maning ne la kham tha tha chung khang na fra chena khrnau ping na la nau shnau ping na la ning chang na gji itumwi sai ko itum gdong na thei dak le artist phaula ka hai akli introduce ami ngai de le ari hi stage pc makang li mi de le pc makang na stage khui mi ro no.
Hello. ฮัลโหลอิรมนาวบิงก็ทาลิกเลยมริงพาลิกเลยมริงพามในสิกาลาละมันซาลุยสิกาจินเดอรุมคลาวฮีอีทุมอาร์ติสปิงวิตุงเล็กตงเคลมนิ่งในออเดียนส์ปิงนะimportant สามัยกิจินะทุมนะละครับพนิ่งมิโลอีทุมนะลาทินนายซาลนะทุมนะมังนาไงมาริงพาเทก็รุมคลาวจีวัดลักไงยังเช่นนะรุมพาริงพังรุมเซก็ต้องมิโลอีวีลาเครซาดสาเครงยาร์โชซานิโดเฮาก็พกมาเทก็ตั้งละมาเทมีรินจีจะเกิดชีก็บังเฮาโอ้คุยนะสาเคเรียงยาโชลูกคำมาชันมาเทก็เดียวก็หักมาเลยนะวิวาสาเคเรียงยาโชนิ่งก็จดละมาเทนาลีซัมก็พังบิงนะลาชิฮาก็เทเทลิทุกเช้าก็สิ่งยิ่งอุดมชิริชิราบิงนะสามคุยก็สิ่งยิ่งคืออยากชมเงินเล่นจาร์เมจังเราโหลุงลียาวก็จะเจ้าหนาวทุกชายหาวสิ่งหอมสิ่งรถมาเลยอยากชัวสาเคเรียงยาโชลูกคำมาชันมาเทก็เดียวก็หักมาเลยนะวิวาสาเคเรียงยาโชนิ่งก็จดละมาเทนาลีซัมก็พังติงนะลาชิฮาก็เทเทลิทุกเช้าสามคุยเรื่องกะลีตั้งสานิโดเฮาก็พกมาเทก็ตั้งละมาเทมีรินชีสักชีก็บังเฮาโอกทวีนะสาเคเรียงยาโชลูกคำมาชันมาเทก็เดียวก็หักมาเลยนะวิวาสาเคเรียงยาโชนิ่งก็จดละมาเทนาลีซัมก็พังปิงนะลาชิฮาก็เทเทลิทุกเช้าOkay. Nextly, 一位外，是，这是怎么可以啦？Changra orngaya nazak ngayoda ning lamay lay shat ning ai mi khangaro kappa say ngareu la thaya khi kapi hai do lay shat rian sam yui ho ko ini lay sha ini we pai chon pang chon yao ga hai ini pamret mang che lag la arui lay shin Jan pai kangarum ini ni aya ini yau ketui ni hai alu ini lay shakar jan lay shi ke jan boy kanim machangra orngaya nazak ngayoda ning lamay lay shat ning ai mi khangaro kappa say ngareu la thaya khi kapi hai do lay shat rian sam yui hau kho ini lay sha chili manuri ngahani ngarok sinsa nachama ngachi hayu iau kha rachitaran kapen ai nayam khuiga oi nani khani machangra horngaya nazak ngayoda ning lam ngaro kappa sing a real lataya ki ka bi hai do le shat rian sam yui hao ko ini le sha ki ka bi hai do le shat rian sam yui hao ko ini le sha ning share
All this gold chiji hilak ne. Ning shinai re mata na da lumlao na da sami re. Are itu na presentation atam hi gishi kamang kwika se. Hoshok ngai de le presentation hiwang. Achui convener rungwi luiru panitwi convener semi makang stage li kakamilo chi ene MOC cultural night to event coordinator nani na stage li kakamilo ka panglan hi khangran milo. May I request Rungwi Luripanit Convener Semi Makang and Cultural Night Event Coordinator MOC on the stage would like to hand out a little gift of appreciation. As I call out your names, please come towards the stage and receive our thanksgiving through this gift. First of all, may I call upon Yurmi Kapai. Yurmi Kapai na mangali shok miruno. Yurmi Kapai will be followed by Yaringam Hongchui. Yaringam Hongchui will be followed by Eastern Light Zimik. Eastern Light Zimik will be followed. Featherheads will be followed by Windsor Chamroy. Featherheads will be followed by Windsor Chamroy. Windsor will be followed by Okcherpi. Windsor will be followed by Okcherpi. Thank you so much, Ning Shinaire. Natum na maram salaga achiwi cultural night hi mapung phalak aina sakui ka shapnei gi hi remind salu shit ngai dele kala chihan ngam washum itumle marang room sai ji salala I hi headmaster ne Sirarukong High School wi itumle marang room rer manai khawa ala nei nang chon mi dele itumle yarina pang ka phemi sei chiwi wangla laka achi itumna shi luru phani thili shi chinda khle ter laka ringwis ka talani shi chingi da khle ter hi lechil pashina sponsor sa gamine. The drinking water is sponsored by Lechil, Dulalent Infal, Atumlila Ningshinai Regichi, Pongshok Lushit Ngaidele. Issue presentation hi hili kangjang Sara, Yarina. Ringpalagay na support sami da Klechi Wangla Ningshinai, Ara Atam Himilushit Ngaidele, Featherheads. Featherheads na Atam Kuimikai Witili, Winsoy ne Emosina, Atam Kuimiruno, Stage Featherheads le Midele. Yarina Lasa take a Lala Sangrumilo, Chinalum Laumere. Featherheads on the stage, please. Achui East we show chili makeup sami gahai hi athar kapai kala photographers bin pakre cha hongnawaina Sorenjan Vashum ningshi ka changkhatai re ashi ka thumlila father heads pa shi stage li kami re yarina pang ka phe milushit se
shit hiwak bai ngran hung lega thada diongwei kha ithum la interact sa se yang ishi bani thada issue journey hi dew na hang ge ithum hi ini a break khani ne kala hi na igdo ne ithum hi luyai ba shi shimri hunpun we ne kala thada you ben li kshok zang hi diongwei kha thada kharjan hi itum shimling bam laga aya wo wing shanni lai shinai da itum hi dedicate sal ga sacrifice sal ga da itum yuri wang sa da chikat laga gzat ksane da dew mai kha itum da aya wo wi hawla naw hi dew ha gzem khui kala jili itum da itu issue wi original hi sangmaman laga dew mai shok maman hai re na thum wi kdom mi mangai na kala itum wi promotion itum wi last shokai avu li thada cycle na thum wi bangsang isa da thada na thum li learning shitara phongshok ngai le aju opportunity khui laga ishi clearly I how to sada shok pa li ishi million views lang hai ne yang ji na thum la jang sar le ri sa chi chang ai da ji thada tanghul law na tanghul law hi thada itum tom mi kho itum ai na itum along li thada itum mi sem khui pai kala mall sam pai shograt la artist kham chada tara khlai buba mai kala ada itum hi kdom mi matang ai se kala itum wi arhon thot level social media hi important sara ka ko kida YouTube no or Instagram no kala Facebook no thada itum hi support chaming ngok se ji thada I wi shong ai na feather heads wi ba gai na po ngai ne issue journey hi thada aju li issue la ka thara release sara le la ka thar ba hi thada Instagram li thum teaser gen au shogai le jili yang ka ba mi bing hi hon ching ching ai na khlai thai kala hiwi music video ba wi thada ethic pa na khi khlai jiga aju wi music video ba hi ithum jang la ga bam ning la animation ai na create chai yang da he ne how we kharjan sau gi da hiwi kharjan hi ga tha khlai jiga acha la ga 100 years back ithum Christianity mla rang ka pray na wa ka ba hi now vai la ga lui chang da sa ji ne ya lui chang na dam li acha la ka ba kui khrang adam chau gi da shui ra ga na a kho khong nai ba shi na chili rai rata hai ne rai rak da dam li khong nai lui sai ka tong da da athuma rai sa re sa dam le sa du gi da yam sa ro kala pray na ba hi ba sari dai da kong ma kan la ga amai yong sam ka dam li hada jili juena amra lumra sa pam phat sang hai na shrim thing li shai laga shrim thing laga li shai laga gapa matam li wanawa ka chikokri sa da ara itu march april atam li ku sa da ra khong dia ibai ratai je da anava itum kazairam wa kwena nui apam phamit le sa da ara kazairam wa kwi kikru we na message la ga achon bai li nawa nui yangram hi apam hi na pham ye ru ko ju mongai na rahang laga chi da pai thul ga chon bai li kui rang mi he ne ju kharjan ne hi na mo se iram wi hun pun wi la ne o hei hoi ya laga shokrat le li na thum na to mi shit la bai sa da shit ka sang tara le le na thum jing re nang nang rum se kala mohon sang bai kala mohon se yang lui ru phanit na da ga deng ga khlum se yang ya roi ka tha li le percussion mic. Percussion mic zoom. Ka bakai we atam sa doi da tekam dei wa tara ka shok pa ma ya. Na tum la phap dan le. Rampire, oh hey, lo, mina rampire, oh hey, lo, mina rampire. Shirim tingi chôn chỉ mau ôi ôi lo mau khăn lụy nè ôi hay lo mau khăn lụy nè mau khăn lụy ôi ôi lo yang rơm chẳng hào ôi hay lo yang rơm cái sân nào rơm mơ phun rơi ôi ôi lo rơi con mơ ngơ ôi hay lo rơi con mơ ngơ hey oh hey hey oh hey ho oh hey hey oh hey ho oh hey hey oh hey oh hey ya hey ya hey oh Sakura say oh hey hey oh hey ho oh hey hey oh hey ho oh hey hey oh hey oh hey ya hey ya hey oh percussion did on promise la ba he gisha jang ka thada gisha bing da kja wi torchlight now avu charmi man ga thada interesting samai ru ko jogi da isin la sang shi da music and product dum da torch now ji charmi ga ring phana ra ning shina ra sang sa se Bình giờ mà thuộc giờ ý thôi con ri con ra thiên hai ra mà sai rồi cho mơ thuộc lu river runner hold the lay to me yang ga lo ga sing ram nan na lo ma si kon shon lu ami kana but things are took say to yang ga lo ga sing ram nan na lo ma si kon shon lu ami kana but things are took say to gong ray gong ra thing hai ra ma sai ra drama to glue very verana hold the lay to me hey oh hey oh hey oh hey oh hey yeah hey yeah hey Shere na thum sa hung bang arila ajing yawi knaw la khasada how now ba he kya na thei bang khanga mila actually the crowd like jim ga beda crowd bali caps na ra ithumi khiom de daru lightning ka azak the khi mong chu thre ya and the crowd bali gdem ga light ba je khami sang ga enjoy sang rom sio Shung ka vai hot na sai tum akama ka ho chi mathai lui mana dekama tai shokru na aji oh hey oh Shon no na wisdom kai dang le rong mai da her ba gui re chon da ma shon shok lo a chi yar ko ga so ga yar sho ga ping ga bang kili vai shi killing a chi how Oh, how now? How now?
She and she can you made up to say down, then the rally or the root cooked Murray, Balkan man. I go really oh Sikui ka mai tada shon no na wisdom kai vang le rong mai da her ba gui re chon da ma shon shok lo a chi yar ko ga so ga yar sho ga ping ga bang Kili vai shi killing a chi how Oh how now how now Zam kora ria rai maram lai sira Shim koram now ji now shim now ma hor pai ma Nazi bay the oak tree say I we pay John you know hey Sikui kamay tada shon no na we so go achi yar ko ga so ga yar shoga bin kapang Kili vai shi killing a chi how Oh, how now? How now? Oh, how now? Shere.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Featherheads. Ashiwi channel nila subscribe sa amilo, like la sa amilo, sa tela kahay, Paula kahay, couple ne, Ashiwi team la Paula kay na zat mahung dalaye, itum na support sa ka, Pau may lira, ara itum na stage li welcome sa kuise, winso ene emosili.
Check. Hello, check.
Check. Hello, check.
Yeah, shock vibing je.
Check. Hello, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Check. Hello, check. 1, 2, check. Check. Hello, check.
Check.
Test, check. Hello, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Check.
So win show ibang actually abang PM also. Hello, are you ready? Let's go. Tangalay, na vivang shaka shining na chi. Tuing chit sai, mà chi han mơ đơ, na wiu klung na kami chi lang đơ. Mà yui ka đơ rai, ngờ rơ đơ lê. Mà sa du ka đơ gơ chang gơ, ta nê na hi vivang. Let's go!
Say how so gainer, good chi han, chi la bang mother.
In a day,
In a way, mang a summer. No, we van không phải chỉ hô ai đơ, good to gần ấy lý rằng ai rơ. Hân nông ai rai rai hiểu we ai nơ khờ ninh chúc bằng.
let's go!
Ili mơ phá lùi lù ili shi min mi hao lù.
In a day, in a way, oh, glum come a shade. Adam a chi, come a kale, mang la chi na, yang shung đời li sa thơ. Cơ trang chi li ner hai mi rin bay da, cơ chi ham mơ mi da na ta ra no in a day. ber ning she ko win show na last song. Ku shong mi gala itum li the mu pung phang sak dak le ram dra jang re gala iwi mishit la kha ayur khapai a jang dak tong ga hi the ili ka tom mi le ga ini na sa le ko ung shung ne ning share ko ayur khapai pang phe myo so ayur khapai bang dong na cho ning share
check, hello check. 아마 역철 이위지 vocal thế nào khẩu bằng mèo. Canal sa đây là lag sa mèo kìa. Track chỉ bằng mèo.
whose heart did you steal? I wonder. This time did it feel like thunder? Well, whose bed have your boots been under? And whose heart did you steal? I wonder. This time did it feel like thunder, baby? And who did you run to? And whose lips have you been kissing? And whose day did you make the wishing? Is she the one that you've been missing, baby? Well, whose bed have your boots been under? Yeah.
Thank you so much. Featherheads lila ning shere, MOC lila, Windsor lila ning shinare, itumi pom hilila, la sak thai talenda sak hai kachung khalai dale, Jaina atumna kasamang ning la itumna, support sa dale giji atam giji da social media we through lila, jithai miching se je hangai dale, ajuing zin, cultural night, ringui luripanit cultural night hi na khangachang saira rayang mighai avuwa khrnau sang sonno bing na tum sai ko really ning shinair ko ring palagay na umpi khuilaga ringui ska talent ngaya thang sampang li say gi hangai dele. Thank you so much. We shall meet again on ringui ska talent night. Have a good night.